Hey everyone, in today's video we'll fix the Opengi not supported error that usually opens or pops up when they're running games or apps. So let's just jump right into the video and fix the issue. Hit Windows plus X for that, and from there you can go ahead and look out for Device Manager and hit enter. Once you go over to Device Manager, you need to look out for display adapters and go ahead and expand it. Once you expand it up, you can right click on your graphics driver. And from there, just go ahead and look out for update driver. And once you update driver, you can search automatically for the drivers. Just go ahead and do so. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and close this up. Right click on it again and go over to update driver. From there, go ahead and browse your computers or drivers and select this option. Once you do so, you can select up the compatible driver. Click on next and then go ahead and download the latest drivers even manually. Apart from that, the next thing you can do is you can head over to your device's settings and look out for the adapter that you're currently using. Go to system for that and open it up. From there, go to display and open this one right here. Scroll down and look out for advanced display. Open this here and look out for the display driver that is connected. And you can look out for this option for display adapter properties. Expand it up. Once you open it up here, you will be finding your adapter, the one that you're using currently. So I am using Intel RUHD graphics. You can also look out for your adapter type and go to Chrome and go ahead and search for Intel RUHD graphics download. Once you find it up, you can look out for the downloads available. You can look out for download Intel drivers and software. And from there, you can just go ahead and look out for the product that you're looking for. I mean the driver. You can just go ahead and look out for that. And once you find it up, you can click on the download option right here and you can install it. And after that is done, you can just go ahead and update your driver going over to your device manager. And that's it. So therefore, these are the methods you can follow up in order to fix the OpenNGL not supported error in your Windows. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.